Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's TGIF. Yes, it's Friday. Oh, I gotta get some sleep. My cold is almost gone. I think this should be the last day I take the the Dayquil NyQuil combo. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, last night I prepared black pepper chicken. 4 stars or 5 stars, whatever my rating system is. And now I have a rating system with the new app, aka software, Recipe Keeper. I get to rate the recipes. So this gets all the stars. This is really good. When I say black pepper chicken, there's a whole boatload of pepper that's added at the end. It just gives it a really good black pepper just heat. It's not heat. It's you know what I'm saying. It's a black pepper but it's not overwhelming. This is a must try. This is really good. The sauce is really good. The sauce, it's really funny how it depends on how you combine, the oyster sauce with the soy sauce it's all about measurements and ratios and whatnot. But this is really good and it's pretty. Yes, it's really pretty. Today, because I have a meeting this evening, I'm going something simple. I mean, super simple. This is actually Asian Inspired Garlic Noodles. You know me and my pasta. Love this. This is a kind of a touch on SGIO, whatever, the normal pasta dish. That's the pasta with the olive oil and the garlic and the butter and so forth. This is just a touch on that, but an Asian flair. Let's take a look. Some simple hardware. Dutch oven for the pasta. The small skillet is to basically heat and cook the garlic before it goes into the pasta. I'm using linguine. You can use Asian noodles of a couple different types, but I've decided to do linguine, and I decided to do linguine several days ago. I just love linguine. Of course, there's butter. I mentioned the garlic earlier. And for the sauce, there's oyster sauce, fish sauce, which I haven't used this week, surprisingly. Soy sauce, a little bit of brown sugar. It's topped off with parm, grated parm, and green onions. It's that simple. It's going to take longer to cook the pasta than it is to put the rest of this dish together. Yeah, that's why I'm doing this particular meal tonight. I'm looking forward to this one. When I first spotted this one a few weeks ago, I was like, I got to try this. It's quick, it's easy. Yeah. All right, on this Friday, this TGIF. Have a great day. Eat great food. Oh, by the way, Soup Symphony, a medley of flavors, it's getting closer. So on this Friday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.